Hello. Today I'd like to show you why during the course copy process sometimes the results are not what you may expect. An example here is of a discussion forum, and in this discussion forum I would like to use grading, and also I attached a rubric to the grading so that my students know what to expect when I grade the discussion. So you can create, of course, your own rubric, but basically it just tells the students what it means to complete this assignment well and what it means to the assignment where improvement is needed, and then they know which area to improve. Okay, so those are rubrics, and you can attach rubrics or create them really easily inside of the assignments. So the problem is that once I do a copy of this course, I now go to my destination course, and when the copy is completed, I go to edit my discussion forum only to find out that in fact this is no longer graded and my rubric isn't here. What's worse, if I was to actually select the graded forum and look for my rubric, the rubric is also not there. So the reason for this is actually not because Blackboard didn't do something correctly. It's because the process of copying requires that you go to the detail of specifying if you would like to get these settings transferred. So let me demonstrate that. In the course copy screen, the safest way to copy the course is just to say select all, and now the course will be ready for you for the next semester. But if you chose to select one box at a time, and let's say you specify discussion boards, this will only bring the discussion board itself and the first post if you so selected. It will not bring the rubric, and it will not bring the settings associated with grading. In order to bring the entire discussion board, you would have to also select rubrics and select the grade center columns and settings. So these aren't really the settings having to do with availability or duration. The settings are connected to the column in the grade center. That's what gives us the number of points on the discussion forum. So these three would have to be selected: rubrics, grade center, columns and settings, and the discussion forum itself. And then when we perform the copy, I'll go ahead and show you the second discussion forum, which was copied with those settings. We will get an exact duplicate of what we had in the original course. With the rubric present, we can now reuse the rubric on multiple assignments in Blackboard. And also we have the grade settings and finally the gradebook created accordingly. So hopefully this was useful to you. And again, the quick lesson is simply to click select all when copying the course. Thank you very much.